What is up, guys? It's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for another BMX Bold Review. Dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today, we are going to take a look at the movie Booking. This is starring Margaret Diaz, Nico Loco, and surprisingly, akala ko retired na siya sa pag-ubad, pero welcome back, unprotected Denise Esteban to BMX. Yes, this is Denise Esteban's first nude movie since The Bakery Thing with Christy Imperial. Wow! I'm shocked. Denise Esteban in the big 2026. So what is this booking? Well, basically, it's a movie about Donna. Okay? Donna is played by Margaret Diaz at siya ay isang pokpok. She is a prostitute. Okay? And yung pattern ng pelikula to is following an obvious syntax. Kasi pattern ng pelikula to is following an obvious pattern. And that's very redundant, but I said it anyway just to pad some time. Ayun. Ang unang eksena dito is Donna having sex with a random stranger, which is her client. Umuwi siya sa karakter sa kanyang bahay na meron debt collector na sumasalisi or nang-iispiya sa kanila. At ito ay si Ruben, si Nico Loco. And Nico Loco or Ruben has a thing for Donna. And every time Donna comes home, he have wild, rough sex with Donna. And then the next booking comes, and then we get to meet Jane, Jessie Denise Esteban. And might as well say, this is the Denise Esteban that I kind of want from the beginning. Wild. Diba? This is like the Denise Esteban ng doblado. Like the old Denise Esteban. Yung medyo pawis-pawis. Wild. Young. Free. I like it. It's chaotic. Okay? Sorry about doing that. Ayun. Nevertheless, we get to see Denise Esteban come back in her bold glory. Okay? It's been a while, you know? I thought the last time yung ginawa niya, kasi mo ba Miss Christy Imperial? Yun yung huli niyang pelikula. O si Aiko, or si, hindi si Angelica yung kasama ni Atas. Basta, yun yung huli niyang bold. Okay? Yung nagkasando siya. Tapos nag-bold siya dun sa tenement ata yun o sa dun sa magkapatid na Marco Gallio. Hindi yung tenement, iba yun. Pasakali yun, Pasakali. Nag-bold siya dun pero hindi siya nagpakita ng katawan. Siya yung kontrabida dun eh. Tapos napatay siya eh. Good stuff. Okay. Si Jane. Jane fell in love with Donna on their first sex kasi medyo maganda daw, masarap daw. And then Donna gets threatened to be fired by Ruben. Donna uses her body to blackmail Ruben on keeping her job kasi ang kanyang job na pagiging prostitute is headed by Ruben para mabayaran ang utang ng nanay niya kay Ruben. Ruben just had rough sex again with Donna after Donna stripping. Tapos, we then proceed with another lesbian lex between Donna and Jane. So, yun yung samot-saring pattern dito. Ang paborito kong character dito si Koi. He reminds me of yung character dun sa Mahjong Knights. Si special characters in BMX are always special. They left a mark. And in the tail end of the Disability Pride Month, it's great to recognize the efforts of our disabled actors or the roles that they are portraying into the integration of our everyday lives. Salute. Disability Pride Month, July 2026. Okay, coming back to the story. Alam ni Jane na the consequences of the relationship kasi nga pokpok itong si Donna. Donna went into a gauntlet with different men sa kinainisan ni Jane kasi akala niya nasugitan niya si Donna. Kasi si Donna meron pang 120,000 na utang pa kay Ruben. Then she finds out na kung kailangan handa na niya magbayad na si Ruben ay pinag-uutangan ng sindikato And then Jane and Donna just plotted out what Donna should have done in the beginning at tumawag ng police. And then Ruben and the gang, the syndicate, got tokhang ng mga police in an intrepid operation kasi nanlaban yung isa sa tauhan ni Ruben. Or si Ruben yung tauhan, nanlaban yung boss niya. Anyway, ayun, nagkatuluyan sa kasi si Jane sa kasi Donna, girlfriend, Thespian Lex, end of movie. Pretty sharp, pretty simple. And I like gusto ko yung bold. Okay? Parang kasing ito yung mga it's just, parang yung feeling na lumang Viva Max yung nakita ko. I think in this movie na booking, I think I got a glimpse of the old Viva Max. Not just because Denise was there, but I think because of the style, the storytelling concept. Even though medyo overboard yung sex scenes because we got 4 separate sex scenes that tells 2 different stories at the same time. But I think it was very brilliant in story. Madaling mag-grasp yung story. It has no pacing issues. Yada yada yada. So I'm going to give booking. It's all right. It's all right. It's nothing to be gooning about, but it's a good movie if you want a good time with yourself. The Sethman Lex is good, the sex is good, the story is good, but it's not that peak. It's like if you're in a whole weekend at gusto mong you want to wank yourself, then have fun with booking. Okay, so that's my review of booking. Let me know in the comment section. Our next review is July 31 with Cream Pie. Okay, so yeah. Announcement, July 25-26, I will be streaming Arknights Enfield on YouTube. We will be rebuilding my factory. July 27, I will be streaming the State of the Nation address by our President Bongbong Marcos. We're gonna laugh at him. He's going to say the best, the very best, the best. And then July 28, I will take on the Tombstone Challenge, and I'll probably die. July 29, Solid Gold, Rob Ginto, that's my birthday. Also, there will be a GTA 6 giveaway during that day. So stay tuned for the winner. Maging friends lang tayo sa Facebook para mangyari yun. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So this is your boy Harriet. Tell you it's a goodbye and a good night. Bang! Peace!